this is definitely going to be our Halloween centerpiece for our dining room table, Halloween 2019. I love this, you guys.
Hi everyone, this is Maria and this is my pet rock, Rafaela. Say hello, Rafaela. And so Rafaela and all of her friends here, let me go ahead and set her down. These are all of Rafaela's pet rock friends and her pet seashell friends. And so I do have a video on how to make these. In fact, I have an entire playlist. And so I think I'll go ahead and link the playlist at the end of this video if you would like to take a look and get some ideas of things to make for your pet rock. Today we are going to make a pumpkin patch for our pet rocks. So let's get started. So Rafaela is so excited. She can't believe it's going to happen. It's really going to happen, Rafaela, but I'll need you to lead all of your pet rock friends off the stage so we can build this pumpkin patch. So while Rafaela and all of her pet rock friends are backstage, they're having some snacks and watching some fun, scary movies for Halloween, let's go ahead and build this pumpkin patch. So for my base, I'm going to use this felt pumpkin that I found at the Dollar Tree, and it was only $1. I love this. It's made of felt, it's got these cutouts, and it has glitter going all around the edge. They also had a brown owl, and they also had this really pretty autumn leaf. But you can use anything for your base, just anything that you like. And I'm also going to use this spooky tree in the background. Oh my gosh, I love this. I found this for $2.99 at the 99-cent only store. And this is the perfect size. And so you can just bend these branches out, make it look really spooky. You can also hang creepy cloth on there. I don't have creepy cloth today, but I do plan to buy some at the store and add it in strips just hanging over the branches to make it look really spooky. You can also post a sign on your tree like beware, or you can also post a sign that says the pumpkin patch, something like that. I don't have a sign for it, but once you make your pumpkin patch, you can always add things to it throughout the Halloween season. I'm going to take some of these right here and stretch these out like spider legs, and these are going to be the roots of the spooky tree. And this tree also lights up. There's a little switch here, and you can see it has a few little tiny red lights. Not that many, but it does have some. And then we're going to use some straw bales that I also found at the Dollar Tree. These are the perfect size. And they will be a little messy, but if we do this over this would give it a more fallish feel, right? Look at that. Oh yeah, I like that. Not that I want a ton of it on there, but that looks really good. And then I found this package of autumn leaves. I believe I found these at the 99-cent only store. I can't remember now, but I think that's where I got them. Another option is if you live somewhere where you have lots of fallen leaves in the fall, in the autumn, you can always get those and crumble them up and spread them. That would look really nice too. This looks so pretty. And so I believe this is going to be my centerpiece for our table here. Just love this. Look how pretty this is. So the first scarecrow that I found was this one right here at the Dollar Tree. I thought it was so adorable, but then I was thinking maybe it would be too large. And so I also purchased this one at the 99-cent only store. And then while I was shopping at Michael's, I came across this little scarecrow on a floral pick. I thought he was so cute. Let's go ahead and try scarecrow number 1. I thought, would he look good there or maybe here? Let's see. Going to move that over just like that. He kind of looks cute there, don't you think? I think he looks really adorable. Scarecrow number 2. Which one? I kind of like number 1. Let's go with number 1. Not to worry, Scarecrow buddy. We can use you in another DIY. And right next to the Scarecrow pick at Michael's, I saw these adorable little witches. They are so cute. And so I was thinking we could either put this one in the hay bale or we could put it right next to the tree. I think if we use it with the tree, we should go with the orange one because that would stand out. So let's go ahead and try that. And I just happen to have some wire cutters, so let's go ahead and do that. There we go. And we could stand her here. We could even put her in the tree. She would look really cute in the tree, don't you think? Oh my gosh, I hadn't thought of that. So let me go ahead and I'm going to bend this wire back. And so let's see. So let's go ahead and put her in the tree. Oh my gosh, she looks so adorable in the tree. That's where she's gonna go. I also have these leftover skeletons from last year, so let's go ahead and sit these in the pumpkin patch. That looks really cute. So I do love to shop and I do tend to overbuy, and that's what I did when I found these two little sacks. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. They were only $1 each at the 99-cent only store. So for quite some time, I've had these really adorable cupcake party picks in my crafting supplies. And so I was thinking we can go with these candy corns, even though the pumpkins are really bright and colorful, but I think we have enough pumpkins. So let's go ahead and add the candy corn. So I put one right in the top. I think it looks really cute. And so let me go ahead and poke this other one. There it goes, went in really easily. So cute. And so let's go ahead and put the little monster there. And I'm going to put this one here. What do you think? Should I put that there? I have no idea, you guys. You can let me know in the comments below. I also purchased a package of miniature pumpkins at Hobby Lobby. These are called package pumpkin gourds. And so there's 20 in the package. There's also these little mini acorns. Then at Joann's, I found these white pumpkins. I love white pumpkins. When our boys were growing up, they always got a white pumpkin and they made them into ghosts. Also at Joann's, I found this really cute stack of pumpkins on a floral pick. And so I went ahead and bought a second one and I removed the pick, and this is what we end up with. Isn't this cute? So now we're just scattering the pumpkins around for our pet rocks. And so they can choose one to take home with them and carve a jack-o'-lantern. Or just set it out to decorate their pet rock home. Let's put that right there. I like that right next to the skeleton. We also have this one right here. And so I'm not sure we're going to keep that one. We'll see. And now let's scatter some of these acorns. Just gonna put a few of these out. So I went ahead and moved that for right now because I think it takes up a lot of space. And so we can just move these around as we like, you guys. And now we have this jack-o'-lantern that lights up. I think it looks so pretty. This was also $1 at the 99-cent only store. So let's go ahead and place this. Let's see. Should we put that right there or right there? I kind of like it there or right there. My goodness, it's hard to tell. I do like that. Isn't that neat looking? And then I heard all of this chattering, and these mini squirrels, they want to join in on the fun too. We can put some on the straw bale right here, or the hay bale. So cute. And let's go ahead and put these in the pumpkin patch. They really add to it. Let's go ahead and put one over here by the skeleton. Right over here. And we have one left. Let's go ahead and place that one. Maybe right there, right here. This looks really cute. Something is missing and I can't quite put my finger on it. Do you have any ideas? Oh, wait, a ghost. How could I forget? It's Halloween and our pumpkin patch needs a resident ghost. And so this one I also purchased at the 99-cent only store. It doesn't make any noise, but this is a quiet ghost. And he turns different colors. So let's go ahead and place him in the pumpkin patch. Now that we have our pumpkin patch all set up for our pet rocks, let's call Rafaela and her friends. Rafaela, everyone, it's time to pick pumpkins. Come on, you guys. So Rafaela and all of her pet rock and pet seashell friends look like they are having a blast in their pumpkin patch. No problem, Rafaela. Those look so good. Rafaela wanted everyone to know that there are these little pumpkin candies sitting in this bowl right next to the pumpkin patch. And what's that, Rafaela? She wants everyone to help themselves. I know, Rafaela, you have a sweet tooth just like me. And if you have any nice comments for Rafaela and her pet rock friends, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And also let me know what you think about this pet rock pumpkin patch. And also, if you make yours, if you can give us any suggestions, they are much appreciated. And also just a reminder that I'm going to list my playlist for my pet rocks at the end of this video. And one last thing, you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also tap that notification bell. So thanks for watching, everyone, and happy crafting and Happy Halloween! Bye, everyone!
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is definitely going to be our Halloween centerpiece for our dining room table, Halloween 2019. I love this, you guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.